Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe for more new videos. Jobs and salaries in Greece. So jobs and salaries. Helper 310 US dollar, 1 month salary 310 US dollar. Waiters 288 US dollar, 1 month salary. Waiters 288 US dollar. Chef 455 US dollar, 1 month salary 455 US dollar. Teacher 525 US dollar. Driver 499 US dollar, 1 month salary. Driver 499 US dollar. Doctor 1300 US dollar, 1 month salary. Doctors 1300 US dollar. So jobs and salaries in Greece: helper, waiter, chef, teacher, driver and doctor. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more new other videos.